Lesson 13, learning where to press your left fingers on the violin from Learn Violin Fast, Book 1. One of the most challenging things for a new violinist is to know where to place your fingers. Yes, a lot of beginner violins will come where you can add tapes where to place your fingers, but it's still a lot harder because the strings are really close than a guitar that has frets that you just have to find the right string, or piano, for example, that have keys and it's very visual and it's in front of you. So one of the most challenging things is just learning how to press the strings and where to press the strings, and then as well, what does each string make? One of the easiest ways to know where to place your fingers is we give numbers to our fingers. Now, if you play piano, this will be a little bit different. For violin, if you look at your left hand, again, this is a video, so your left hand will look like this, right? But we don't use the thumb, so we start counting from our pointer, which is 1. Okay? I'm going to use my left hand for sake of consistency, but just know that your left hand is over here, this is your thumb, and this is your pointer, right? So we basically just don't even count the thumb, this is X. Your pointer is going to be number 1. So if you basically yeah, we're number 1, right? We always put our pointer up, and that's going to be your first finger, on the violin. Middle finger will have number 2. Ring finger is 3, and pinky is going to be 4. So the Arabic numbers, or the regular numbers that we think about, 1 means you press 1 finger on a string, 2 means you press 2 fingers on a string, 3 means you press 3, and 4 means 4. Right? So when you see 4, that means 4th finger, and it's good practice to not have fingers stick up. So you're going to think pressing 4 fingers down, keeping a curved shape on the string. Okay. So in piano, in case you played piano before, you've seen or you had lessons in piano, the thumb is used on both hands. So in piano, the thumb gets 1, pointer is 2, ring is 3. I apologize, thumb is 1, pointer is 2, middle is 3, ring is 4, and pinky is 5. So if you play piano and violin, just know that you'll have to learn 2 numbering systems, but violin pointer is 1, piano thumb is 1, and just knowing that and reminding yourself will be no trouble at all later, okay? So index is 1, middle finger is 2, ring is 3, pinky is 4. In general, when you start to press the strings and learn how to change the length of the string by pressing it down, make sure to keep your hand open. It should never be closed in the fist, and you should never squeeze the wrist. So when you press your fingers, just remember, it always have to be a curved shape. You're going to press the string with the pad of the finger, and it should never be flat, and your hand should never be closed. Always open and always curved fingers. Fingers should be up. And the pad, the middle of the finger pad, the middle of the fingertip is what's going to press the string, changing its length. Thanks for watching, and in the next videos we're going to learn what the different fingers make and where and why those tapes or those finger placements are where they are. Thanks for watching. See you next time.